Want to learn how to delete your ChatGPT account permanently? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn how to delete your ChatGPT account permanently. For that, go to your Google Chrome or your suitable web browser of your choice. As you get logged into your own account, just like me, you'll be in the first page of ChatGPT account just like this. Now what you can do is tap on this hamburger icon on the top left corner. As you get onto this section, on the bottom you'll see an option of your own email address. So tap on your own email address. So here are four of the options, that is health and FAQ, clear conversation, settings and logout. Now what you need to do is tap on settings option here. So as you do it, you'll get an option of general and data controls. Tap on data controls. Now here you can see three of the options, that is export data, delete account and enable two-factor authentication. So tap on delete option on the right corner, straight to delete account, tap on delete. So before deleting your account, if you're sure about all of the options given above, that is deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. For security reasons, you cannot reuse the same email or phone number for a new account. And also, all your data, including profile, conversations, and API users will be removed. If you have been using ChatGPT with the API, this access will also be deleted. And if you're sure that you do not want any of these facilities and if you agree with it, all you have to do is tap on your account email option here and then enter your email address. As you're done with the email address, to proceed, you need to type delete in a capital letter here. So do it. As you've done it, and on the bottom, you will get an option of permanently delete my account. So tap on it. So you can see that you have successfully deleted your ChatGPT account permanently. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video.